Friends, I'm Shrikant and quickly we'll take a view on Nifty based on technicals. The broader trend of the market, it's still not that bad because the current sell-off that we have seen in the market, it was backed by very low volumes. Second, the market has taken a lot of time to break the level of 5,000, 5,100, which was the intermediate level for the market. Like the market has taken almost 45 days to rise from the level of 4,500 to say like 5,650, but from 5,650 to say like 5,050, the market has taken almost 55 days. So net the current sell-off is corrective in nature and it will not break the level of 4530 in a normal course. Again, on the other side, the volumes are very low. That means on the lower side, the market will certainly attract buying pressure. Even if you go through with the trend of crude and currency, which is like continuously affecting to the overall trend of the market, in that also we have seen double top kind of formation for the currency, which is positive for the market, as well as it is continuously trading between the range of 53 and 54, which is very attractive levels for FIs to invest in the market. On the other side, crude, Brent crude, which was trading somewhere around 122, 123 levels, something 10-15 days back. Now it is trading at 112, 113 levels. What it means? It means that there also we have seen one euphoric run up and now the correction is there. So net, if these 2-3 factors supports the market, then from here also we can expect rally in the market. But yes, because the short-term trend is negative, it has broken the important level 5,100 that we discussed in our previous transcript. There the market has broken 5,100 levels and now it is trading below that level. So what it means? It means that unless and until the market is not breaking, surpassing the level of 5,300 in the near term, it will remain in a range or it will remain with a negative bias on the downside. On the higher side, the resistance like 5170, 5220 will act as a very strong profit taking levels for the market, as well as we can expect some more short creation between these levels. Similarly, for Bank Nifty also the important level is 10,000, which is psychological level, and above that 10,100, 150. So between these 10,000, 10,100 levels, we can expect some more rounds of profit taking or maybe some short creation between these levels. And unless and until the market is not breaking the level of 10,350 on the higher side, we cannot expect bullishness for Bank Nifty also. So net for the broader trend, the market is bullish. We can look for adding positions on declines. We can ask our investors to add more on declines with a little bit medium to long term view. But for short term traders, I think the strategy should be to be a contra seller at resistance level and be a seller if there is say like any falling trend in the market. We can look for adding long position only and only if the market is nearing to their important levels, and the important levels are like 4990 on the downside, and below that the important level is 4,800. There certainly we can expect some contra buying and we can expect some short-term recovery in the market. If you go through with the sector specific momentum, then there also like Bank Nifty has shown a lot of weakness. So that is why maybe bank sector may remain under pressure. But the stocks like ICICI Bank or say like State Bank, which are continuously managing their levels, in that we can expect range bound kind of trading activity. And for ICICI Bank, I think the level like 885, 890 will act as a very strong resistance. On the downside, the support is at 810 and below that 770. So around the lower boundary of the range, we can look for adding long positions. At the upper boundary, we can look for exiting the long positions, or we can even create some short positions with a minimal stop loss of say like 10-20 rupees above the cost level. For State Bank, the important level is 1930 on the downside, and if it breaks that, then we can expect maybe again 1830, 1850, which is very deep, we can say, from the support levels. But yes, if it breaks 1930 levels, then certainly we have to be cautious because the sell-off may extend to the levels of 1800. On the higher side, 2050 is a very important level, and above that 2125. So these two levels will act as a very strong hurdle for the stock, and if it able to cross 2125 levels, then we can expect 2250 on the higher side. Out of auto pack, I think only and only Bajaj Auto is very attractive at current levels, and Tata Motors, which is currently trading at 305 levels, but if it comes down to say like 285, 290 levels, we can take a contra buy call. We can even add some long positions ahead of results, because from 285, 290 levels we are expecting again one sharp bounce back for the stock. On the higher side, the resistance is at 320, and above that the stock may even go to the levels of 340, 345. but the important support is 285, where we are advising to look for it to add. Oil PSUs, I think BPCL is the only stock to look for. It is trading at its 52-week highest level, and we are still expecting stock to trade somewhere around 770, 780 in the near term. So in case if there is any panic or down for the stock, we can look for it to buy on declines, and 660, 670 will act as a very strong support area for the stock. Out of IT pack, we are especially bullish on HCL Technologies, which is currently trading at 485 levels. Between 485, 470 we can accumulate with a target of again 530, and 530 is the breakout level for the stock. So if it breaks 530, we can expect 560, 570 on the high side. Out of FMCG, currently we are not bullish on any specific stock, but yes, ITC, if it comes down to 220, 215 levels, we can look for it with a medium to long term view. Out of pharma back, Ranbaxy is our choice. Currently it is trading at 505, 506 levels, but if it comes down to say like 485, 490 levels, we can add more. So buy at current levels, more on declines up to 480, 485 with a target of say like again 530 and 570 on the high side. So net, the short term it's uncertain, it is negative. We can look for shorting somewhere around 5200 levels. On the downside, the support is at 4980, and below that 4800 levels. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.